Discover the ultimate companions for water adventures with our curated selection of the best inflatable paddleboards. Engineered for stability, durability, and portability, these inflatable SUPs offer unmatched versatility for beginners and seasoned paddlers alike. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best inflatable paddleboards you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which water sports topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Surfstar Inflatable Paddleboard, ranked as the 5th best inflatable paddleboard on the market. Crafted to endure, this 10.6-inch SUP board boasts a robust construction featuring double-layer PVC and a reinforced drop-stitch core, ensuring resilience against high compression. Utilizing advanced gluing technology, it surpasses traditional boards in durability. Enhancing your experience is the upgraded fiberglass paddle, offering heightened power and stability with its UV-stabilized construction. Weighing a mere 30 ounces, it guarantees buoyancy in both saltwater and freshwater, outperforming aluminum alternatives. Capture every adventure with ease using the integrated action camera mount, perfect for preserving cherished moments on the water. Portability is paramount, facilitated by the central handle for effortless transportation to any waterfront. Weighing just 18.8 pounds and boasting a compact design, this paddleboard inflates and deflates swiftly, allowing you to indulge in water activities anywhere, from surfing and yoga to fishing and camping. Complete with all necessary accessories including a paddle and pump, this exceptional package is priced at an accessible $289. Meet the Skatinger Asiaticus, the number 4 best inflatable paddleboard that redefines stability and versatility in water sports. Crafted with precision, this board boasts a super wide design of 11.6 by 35 by 6 inches, ensuring remarkable balance with a capacity of up to 450 pounds. Its 3-inch wider deck compared to standard boards offers enhanced stability, accommodating 2 adults comfortably along with children or pets. Ideal for various activities like yoga, fishing, surfing, and snorkeling, it caters to diverse needs with ease. Thoughtful design details amplify its functionality. 5 strategically placed handles facilitate easy lifting and dragging from water, while the US fin system ensures stability and maneuverability akin to a fish gliding through water. The non-slip EVA deck pad, inflatable to a firm 13 to 15 psi, guarantees a secure footing, reducing the risk of accidents. Constructed from high-quality military-grade PVC material, this board exhibits exceptional durability, minimizing the chances of damage during use. Its lightweight design and included backpack make it effortlessly transportable, perfect for spontaneous aquatic adventures. Priced at $319. Discover the world of water sports with the Upwell Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, ranked as the number 3 best inflatable paddleboard. Crafted with precision, this professional SUP design boasts dimensions of 10.6 by 32 by 6 inches, offering stability and flexibility for all skill levels. With a weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, it's perfect for various water environments, from serene lakes to adventurous rivers. Constructed from top-tier military-grade materials, including ultralight double-wall PVC, this board ensures durability and longevity. The soft, non-slip EVA deck pad guarantees comfort and safety during extended use. Complete with a comprehensive set of accessories, including an adjustable-length aluminum alloy paddle and a 10-liter waterproof storage bag, you have everything needed for your aquatic adventures. Portability is key, with a lightweight design of only 18 pounds and easy inflation and deflation capabilities. At $269, the Upwell paddleboard offers exceptional value, backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty and dedicated customer service. The iRocker Nautical Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard emerges as the second best among inflatable paddleboards, offering a compelling blend of affordability and performance. Crafted with a focus on lightweight construction, it caters to those seeking an economical yet versatile option for aquatic adventures. Boasting above-average maneuverability, along with satisfactory stability and speed, the Nautical board lends itself well to various activities. From leisurely paddling on serene lakes to engaging in sup yoga or accompanying small children or pets on a cruise, its adaptability enhances the overall experience. Equipped with an ultralight 3-piece fiberglass paddle, adjustable from 72 to 86 inches and conveniently breaking down to 35 inches, the Nautical ensures comfort and ease of use. Additionally, the paddle floats when assembled, thanks to foam inserts in each piece. Backed by a reassuring 1-year warranty and priced attractively at $249 US. Say hello to the Myboat extra-wide inflatable paddleboard, hailed as the premier choice among inflatable paddleboards. Its impressive 34-inch width sets it apart, providing unparalleled stability, especially favored by beginners finding their sea legs. Crafted for versatility, it navigates oceans, lakes, and rivers with equal ease, promising exhilarating paddling experiences for all skill levels. With a robust weight limit of 430 pounds, the Myboat caters to a diverse range of adventurers, whether solo paddlers or companions seeking shared exploration. Safety is paramount, evidenced by the inclusion of dual safety handles and a camera mount for capturing memorable moments. Equipped with 14 D-rings and dual bungees, this paddleboard offers ample storage for essentials like coolers and dry bags, ensuring convenience during extended excursions. Priced at a competitive $239 US, the Myboat stands as a beacon of quality and affordability in the paddleboard market. Backed by a 1-year warranty and round-the-clock customer service, it promises not just a product, but a commitment to exceptional experiences on the water. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.